In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the Lane Movements Input dialog to specify input parameters which are important for network analysis in SIDRA Intersection 7. We will be exploring the Lane Movements dialog of a site used in a signalized diamond interchange model as an example. Let's select the network named Freeway Diamond Interchange and then the East site from the project pane under the Network tab. Right-click the site name and select Lane Movements to open the input dialog. The Lane Movements dialog is used to specify lane flow proportions and blockage calibration data under separate tabs. These are important parameters in network analysis. Click the View Layout command to display the site layout picture to help with data specifications by highlighting the selected lanes. The Flow Proportions tab is used for specifying flow proportions for lane movements for use in network analysis. These are specified by movement class. The movement classes which were set up for this site in the Movement Definitions dialog are listed below the Approach selector. An origin-destination (OD) movement from an approach lane to an exit lane by a movement class is defined as a lane movement. When you click on each flow proportion data cell in the table, which is given for the selected approach, both the approach and exit lanes will be highlighted on the layout picture. The default settings for lane movement flow proportions are determined by the program automatically by allocating 100% to the lane movement flow rate to the most direct or closest exit lane. There are many cases where the defaults will not be applicable, hence will need to be changed. In each network, these should be reviewed for component sites and changed accordingly. In this example, allocation of all vehicles to exit lane 1 by default is not correct. This means that all vehicles go back to the freeway. Instead, let's distribute the lane movement flow proportions evenly among the 3 through-movement exit lanes. Note that the sum of the lane movement flow proportions for a given OD movement by movement class must be 100%. Under the Blockage Calibration tab, the lane blockage calibration factors are specified for each lane movement. These are also specified by movement class. The lane blockage calibration factor values are used to reduce or increase the capacity reduction effect of the downstream lane blockage on the upstream lane capacity. The values of this parameter below 1 will decrease the effect of lane blockage, and the values above 1 will increase the effect of lane blockage. The default settings can be reinstated by using the Reset to Defaults function. Please refer to the user guide and the help system for further information on the parameters used in this dialog.